At the west entrance of Yellowstone National Park, Yogi and Boo Boo really like these temperatures. And this ice is becoming jammed, which is causing some flooding. I'll be putting on the running shoes tomorrow morning because the weather for it is going to be prime. But you might want to consider those treadmills in the afternoon. From a ridge to a trough, and as a result, that is going to be like a pitcher, and it's going to pour all that cold Canadian air into the area, which torrential rain, cloud-to-ground lightning, and some small hail are certainly a possibility. It's going to arrive in Wisdom by about 6:30. It is a very common June Montana morning because to my east, we have sunshine, and to my west, we have storm clouds. I know you may have a few barbecues for your early Memorial Day plans. Yeah, you may want to reconsider because this is what the radar is going to look like at about 6 o'clock. And I just love the mood at this desk because you guys are actually smiling at me when I'm giving this forecast.
Sun.
Well, they're usually frowning. To dime, nickel, and penny-sized hail, still under an inch, so nothing severe, but that will start doing damage to crops. So over the next couple of hours, don't be surprised if you do see some downpours if you are in the West Yellowstone area. Now, the good news is the National Weather Service, as of this morning, are not expecting the Yellowstone or the Shields River here in Livingston to reach minor flood stage.
Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with meteorologist Carson Vickroy.
Welcome back. 6:14 on Montana this morning, and it's a beautiful start in the mining city. You can see the sunrise over the East Ridge, and the temperatures, they tell a similar story. Very mild for this time of year, 49 degrees. Typically, you'd see this in July and August, not necessarily June, though. And that's the trend across southwest Montana. Yes, we have a few 40s out there. We have a few 50s. We even have a couple of 60s, 64 in Livingston, 63 in Big Timber. Cold spot right now is West Yellowstone, which is sitting at 45 degrees. Now, we're going to remain warm today, but I do have to caution you. Afternoon, we do have that chance for a few showers and thunderstorms. This is why we do have some Pacific moisture making its way back into the region. You can see it, especially with the cloud cover. There is a storm system over southern Oregon, so the door is open for more of that Pacific moisture to make its way into the region. That's going to be the trend, unfortunately, over the next several days. Live look at Doppler radar. We're not seeing much across southwest Montana, but this will change. At noontime today, we are going to see a few showers and thunderstorms, especially for southern Beaverhead, Madison, and Gallatin County. Again, this is noon. Don't cancel those lunch plans because this activity, it's going to be relatively non-widespread. By 2, it does become a little more widespread, especially to the south of Ennis in Madison County and also for Gallatin County. Now, if you have an evening softball game planned or the kiddos have a baseball game, this is what the radar is going to look like at 6 o'clock. Yes, we will have a few storms in the area, but again, it's not going to be widespread, so do not cancel those plans. And then by 10 o'clock, we're still dealing with that chance for a few showers and thunderstorms around Butte. And then tomorrow morning, we lose that daytime heating, we lose the sun. We're not going to be dealing with much, so no impacts to your Friday morning commute. Now, that True View precip forecast, you can see very light totals through 10:30 tonight. We're only talking about a couple hundredths of an inch. So, yes, you need to be prepared for the possibility of rain, but do not cancel those outdoor plans because highs today, they're going to be in the 70s and 80s. Chance of afternoon showers and thunderstorms. They come to an end early tonight with lows falling again 40s and 50s. So a mild start today for our eastern counties, 60s and 70s, and even a few 80s are expected, and then temperatures will be falling into the 40s and 50s, even 38 down in West Yellowstone. Again, those storms come to an end early. Active weather pattern, but do not let the 7-day forecast scare you for Bozeman. 6 of the next 7, we will see that chance for a few showers and thunderstorms, but again, not every day is going to be a washout, but that chance is still there. Butte, similar story. Active weather pattern is expected, but no effects to the temperatures. We're in the 70s the next 6 of 7 days. Missy?